The worker coated the part with a layer of lubricant. Next, a steel roller pressed the piece to the correct size. This was all part of making a saxophone. At this stage, the worker cut a brass sheet into a half-square meter piece. They used a hydraulic press to shape the brass into an axe-like form. Then the worker hammered the brass into a cylinder. This step required great skill. Only experienced workers could do it perfectly. The cylinder would help the saxophone produce beautiful tones. After shaping, the cylinder was heated with flames. High temperatures hardened the brass. The worker then fine-tuned to final dimensions. Once adjusted, the piece was sent to the plating workshop. There, it was polished to a shiny finish. At the same time, the worker drilled tone holes. These holes allowed the saxophone to create different notes. In another workshop, workers made the saxophone's tubing from brass sheets. After high-temperature shaping, an important step followed. The tubes were placed on steel mandrels. Custom molds were used to create precise tone holes. These holes would later be fitted with keypads. Musicians would control the pads to play different notes. Finally, all parts and tubes were welded together.